All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course and we're still doing our malaria model checkpoint module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday, I did inform you that we had some code that we were supposed to run, so I'm going to do some light reading and then we're going to get into that. So the next callback we'll be looking at is the tf.caress.callbacks.model checkpoint. With the model checkpoint callback, we are able to save the caress model or model weights at some frequency. So unlike previously where we couldn't save our model until after training our model, now with this method, we can save our model during the training process. And that's thanks to this model checkpoint callback. So we'll start by copying the code template and pasting it into our code. We'll be modifying the code to fit our needs. Instead of save frequency being set to after every epoch, we'll change it to after 3. That's if we set the save best only to true. Then we'll check our models after every 3 epochs and save the best one. If that's not the best one, we continue training. But for now, we'll keep it to set epoch. So we're not going to do the 3. We're just going to keep it on the original set epoch. So we're going to use the generic version that we brought over from the templates. Next, we will name our file path checkpoints. And lastly, we will change the checkpoints callback to our history, or we will add the checkpoints callback to our history.fit callbacks method, and now we could run our training. So this is the checkpoint callback function that we created here, or the model checkpoint method. See, the checkpoints is the file path name, monitor is the value lost, verbose is 0, save best only, we left at false, and then everything else we left as generic, and then we actually added here to our history, callbacks equals checkpoint callback. So yeah, that's everything we ran, and we did run it. But of course, I don't know why it got everything done correctly. It ran exactly 1 epoch and then it crashed for some reason. Now I didn't do any troubleshooting yet because like I said, everything went through fine. It even got to this point here and went through all of the information, even got to the history, and it ran 1 epoch and then crashed for some reason. So I have no idea what's going on. Why would it run a program perfectly and then crash in the middle of doing what it's supposed to be doing? So I won't be able to take any more notes. I will be doing troubleshooting tonight, it looks like. Again, let me show you exactly what's going on while I do troubleshooting instead of just moving forward. As you can see, every piece of this code here that we're writing was once a module, and we're just building off the top of every module as we move forward. So that's why I like to troubleshoot after every error, because it helps us move forward. Without troubleshooting every error, we can't actually move forward and continue the code. So every piece of code you see here was actually once a module that we completed and added to our actual code. So yeah, that's why I want to troubleshoot after every time we run into an issue. But yeah, like I said, it got through all of this information good. It got through all of this previous information. Everything went through perfectly smooth and fine. And we got to the point of actually running the last piece of history here for the model checkpoint or the checkpoint callback. And then it crashed after running 1 epoch. So again, we're going to be doing troubleshooting tonight to see exactly what's going on. And hopefully we can pick up tomorrow without having to do any troubleshooting any further. We can just get it done tonight. But of course, I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.